everybody, welcome to E-Prime this evening. I am Daedran. ISSA receives US $200,000 donation from International Charity Direct Relief. The ISSA Foundation last Saturday received approximately 64 million Jamaican dollars at Charity Gala for the children in donation for the building of a pediatric clinic in St. Anne. Now, the aim is to provide the people of St. Anne and the surrounding parishes pediatric and adolescent services in addition to specialty clinics, mental health support, vision and hearing testing, along with primary care. In addition to the night's event, reggae band Third World, who has been a part of the ISSA Foundation as Goodwill Reggae Ambassador since 2020, were also present at New York City's fabulous Sunny Hall and gave their support and an enjoyable performance. The ISSA Foundation was established in 2005 by Couples Resort as a non-profit organization. Now onto the international scene, where Bad Bunny made history with yesterday's Grammy nominations with his album Un Verano Sin Ti. For the 65th Annual Grammy Awards, Bad Bunny will be the first artist in Grammy history to have an album done completely in Spanish that is nominated for Album of the Year. In addition, the Puerto Rican artist was also nominated in Best Pop Solo Performance category and Best Music Urbana Album category. At last year's Grammy ceremony, he was nominated for 6 Grammys and got 2. Continuing on this year's Grammy nominations, R&B superstar Beyoncé now ties with her husband Jay-Z as the most nominated artist in Grammy history. Beyoncé received the most Grammy nominations on the night, 9, which brings her total to 88 nominations. Kendrick Lamar is not far behind with 8 nominations this season, and Brandy Carlisle and Adele each received 7. The 2023 Annual Grammy Awards will be held next February. Good luck, guys. I'm Daedran reporting for E-Prime. Thank you for watching.